If you want to enable or disable mirror front camera on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now from here, just tap on Camera, and under the Camera settings, you will find the option of Mirror Front Camera. Now if you enable this toggle, you will enable the mirror front camera feature on your iPhone. Now if you go to your home screen and open the camera app, now let's go to the selfie mode. As you can see, this is the preview of the camera, and if you tap on the shutter button, as you can see, the photo has been captured as it appeared in the preview, just like that. But if you disable the mirror front camera option from settings, selfie photos from the camera app will be flipped horizontally, just like that. And this is how you can enable and disable the mirror front camera feature on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.